Amazing. So the girl is done washing, you guys. I'm literally done washing. Look, I'm done washing. My clothes are just like right here, the ones that I was washing. And we can head back to the room. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So now I have to like clean up this place and do my dishes.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Okay, YouTube, let's go and an exam as a part-time tutor at Unza. And I don't know why I'm smiling too much because I'm a student too, but then I vigilate an exam, so come with me. Let an exam. Makes a lot of sense that it works still, because this is a new beauty. Because what do you mean? School of Engineering has its own facilities now, which makes a lot of sense. From that side, staircase, that side to this side, and more walking.
One hour later.
Okay, YouTube, so we're done invigilating. The exam was amazing. This reminds me of my undergraduate. The time we used to like prepare for exams and I was not ready for those exams. The honest truth, guys, you have to like study for exams. Like there are questions that I saw in the the questions that I saw that they were writing in their tests, those like the same similar questions. Maybe figures were just like different, or they were like almost the same thing they were writing. Anyways, so for now we head back to the department and go submit these papers, and I'll talk to you guys in a few. Snap. Anywho, so this is School of Engineering and the papers are right here. Today was a good day, so I'm about to make a shortcut, guys. I'm about to make a shortcut. I'm just gonna cut through right here. Today was amazing. The exams were done. I did what I could do today, and let's go for a little ride right now.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop.
Okay, YouTube, so I'm at East Park right now. I'm going to get some things from Shoprite. I need to fill up my room a little bit. I need to buy like things for my room, but I don't know. I'm thinking whether I should spend time at the cafe or just go work from my room. I have a few things that I really need to get done, but I think we're gonna go to Shoprite. And my phone is battery low. I know I never charge this phone, like it's never charged. I really need to get a camera. And yeah, anyway, so from right here, let's go to Shoprite. And yeah, let's go to Shoprite and buy a few things, and I'll talk to you guys in a few.
Our museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you've never seen. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop.
Just got them from mine.
No, you don't
These are like the clothes that I washed. They're like a lot of the number. Anyway, and I'm going to like unpack the food from Shoprite that I got. And this is what we're going to be doing in the next few minutes.
I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't
For
get
the rest of the night. Good thing is we're not doing takeaway, we're cooking. So yeah, let's do that right now.
much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming, and thank you for trying to do